Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Honda Accord EX with automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 911298.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.